10,000 feet, and we rode the motorcycles at the gates. Then it's a trail that goes to a high elevation research station. So you leave the vehicle there if the gate's closed, but you can still hike. Or one day out of the year they open the gate where everybody, they have an open house, they have cookies, coffee.
Really?
It's really neat.
I think I've seen photos of Jeeps up there.
I've gotten off the bike.
Glacier up there?
There's snow like all year long almost.
But there's a
not
glacier
an
up there
actual
somewhere.
glacier where the station is. There might be one
Yeah.
later on, but it's high. I mean, 14K.
I've never hiked
pretty
higher
high.
than like 10.5.
But we got off the bike, started walking the rest, and it was not much. Probably from like here to the top of that ridge right there. No, we just started laughing for no fucking reason. We were high as fuck on the elevator. We had no fucking idea until we just like.
You weren't even high on air, you were on high on
like,
the lack of air.
And then we just sat down and you're just like, yeah, all right, we're done.
When we walked from, I mean, typically what we do is we'll camp, we'll hike at a higher elevation, we'll come back down and camp, so you acclimate.
Yeah.
But when we walked just to our site last night, all of a sudden I got really nauseous, and I could feel your face was kind of light, and I knew it was the altitude. I got altitude
sickness,
sickness
no
at
joke.
8,000 feet. That was, it's an awful feeling.
No, we were like, all that we were getting was because we probably rode on the bike like too fast, got too high, and then we got off the bike, we were fine, and then we started walking, and we were just like.
One year I had my daughter take me did a hike. I think it was like 9,000 feet.
Yeah.
And I had her take a medication that increases the cells, the white or the red, whatever the cells are that multiply when you acclimate.
Yeah.
So we're hiking and she's like kicking ass going up this hill. I look at her and go, Katie, do you realize how easy this is for you? She goes, this isn't hard. I go, okay, at 800 feet a week ago you were bitching about a hill. We're at 9,000, 8,000 feet and you're just like, I'm like, I'm taking that medication next time. So a lot of people do that for Whitney. It's not cheating in my opinion. It's like when you spend the money and the time and the preparation, you don't want to lose it because you might get altitude
because you feel sick. Exactly.
Oh, it's worse than feeling sick. It's like super dangerous.
Wait,
Yeah,
that's
and
cute.
it's
Do we have
dangerous.
cayenne, garlic, looks like cumin, and maybe some parsley.
Thank you.
Where'd you get those little things?
In this little GSI pack.
We love GSI outdoor gear, and they make all the.
Is that from REI?
Yeah, you can get it on REI, but it's a different brand.
So that thing comes with all the little things in it?
Yeah, they make all kind of little cooking utensil packages. Like we've got another one for like all these folding. Everything that's orange is GSI.
I like this.
And then that I thought I was gonna like that jumbo one.
Yeah.
But this cup compared to the normal cup
Yeah.
sucks. The insulation is very bad. And then you have a metal handle versus the handle like this. So
Oh,
you,
yeah.
you really have. It's.
Hard to
I like
get a
gripping
grip.
that table. Like just put your hand in there. It's good.
Wait, what do you think of this one again?
I don't like it. I like it because it's a bigger cup to move water faster. But if you just drink out of it.
My jet boil is 12 years old. Like your burner is even a better burner.
Yeah.
I had this green coal.
Today is cooking with John and Jen at the campsite. Chorizo and eggs.
Of course. What else do we have?
Right? Well, we got a big group of people, so we figure it's easy to do a one-pot thing with chorizo. Plus, Johnny bought the same chorizo. I'm gonna laugh. Yeah. Try again. That wasn't completely ready.
12:30 in the morning, a little chilly, because I had just the pilot light on. And I put I took another bottle in
Oh,
with me last
yum.
night. So I threw the other bottle on, lit my pilot, and
Listo.
you can feel the heat just in the pilot. I was like, oh, that's perfect. I can't believe you took a whole that close again. Oh, you got it.
Is that all nice?
Is that the gopher hole?
Melty.
I thought you did a gopher hole.
Well, since there's only 5 of us, we only need one.
Potato?
One chorizo.
I would do both, because we do one for us.
This was leftovers from last night. John had all this stuff put up, so that way it makes it easier to cook everything. Bit of Montreal steak. Put that shit on everything. Thank you. The chorizo. Chorizo. Yeah. Got me a little fire bit before I add the eggs. Mmm, it smells so good. I had a little bit of a fire flare up from the cookies.
Oh man. Be careful.
I know I had to move stuff away.
Well, where do you actually? We should have some room. We're just putting the trash on top.
Yeah, I got this bag. Crack.
Yeah, we can crack the bubble.
No. I'm not using it anyways. It hasn't been that effective. But that's why I start that one first.
Right.
Right in there.
Okay. We're all ready to put the eggs in. Got the potatoes nice and soft. Cheese is all cooked. Higher a little bit. More time too. Oh, a mess. No shells. I don't want shells. Shells are not good. I don't like crunchy chorizo.
Are you using the barbecue stand on? The stand on the barbecue? I'm just gonna get out of your way. Oh, that's what I was asking. So I didn't-
I thought you needed it.
No, no. I just didn't want you to step back and forget it was there. Snap an ankle.
Don't like egg slime.
I think there was
Just stir that all in. Okay. Just gonna wait for that to from the Pacific Crest Trail come and join us. We fed them dinner. We made a bunch of stew. They were happy. It is not what they can find. A lot. Yeah, I know.
Okay, that one just died. So the chorizo, that's pretty much ending your vacation.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it died. Still going. Yeah, you're at 7.5 minutes. The last one was 7.5. You guys were bullshitting, so that was good.
Yeah.
Good content. Huh.
Does that really work?
It's thick, right?
Yeah, but it's not a tortilla. Now chorizo.
I came into the conversation in the middle. I don't know. You ready for me to kill breakfast?
Yeah, we're making tortillas, so that's where we're at.
Everybody else is packed up. That comes on the video real bad. I know this is gonna be, it's gonna be pretty poor because of the sound.
Don't put sound on your video.